Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Aetna Health application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Aetna Health application on your mobile device, it's quite simple. First, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you are, open up your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Aetna Health in the search box. Perform your search and you'll be able to see the search results on the next page. Once you find the application that says Aetna Health from Aetna Life Insurance Company, tap on the Get button to download the application. Aetna Health app helps you stay on top of your healthcare when and where it works for you. You can find a doctor, see and claim and plan information, access your ID card, and even have a talk with a doctor anytime by phone or video. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Aetna Health application on your mobile device. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.